Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making one of the simplest, really nice and light, super healthy moong dal, but not the whole moong dal. Now the whole moong dal is the green lentils, but I'm making the one without the skin, which actually is one of the most easily available dals in just normal supermarkets. You don't even have to go to an Asian supermarket for that. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So I get lots of questions about dals. I have shared a detailed video of the different dals I used in my everyday cooking. You can find that video on my channel. If you are not used to or don't know much about lentils or dals, then it's a good one to watch. Right, this is the moong dal, and I shared the previous video was a really beautiful carrot and peas sabji, and this dal is the perfect match for that carrot and peas sabji. So if you are going to make that, then try making this dal with it, and it's going to be most delicious meal. So I'm going to be cooking for 4 people. So I'm taking 200 grams of moong dal, and I'm just going to give it a quick wash. And once that is washed, I'm going to add 800 ml of water. Next, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to put it on the hob and bring it to a boil. Just bring it to a boil first. And you can see it's just coming up to a boil. So when it comes to a boil, you can turn it to medium heat. Because it's moong dal, it shouldn't take very long. It should take around 20 minutes or so. Keep an eye on this. If you think it's getting too dry, add some more boiled water, but I'm going to say 20 minutes to begin with. So it's been 10 minutes. The dal is looking like it's getting cooked, but as always, I like when the dal just opens up because that adds more texture and flavor. But this is actually cooked in not 20 minutes but 15, and I'm just going to add 200 ml of more of the boiling water I've got here. Look, now can you see that the dal has split open? That's what you want. So that is done. I'm going to take this off and get the tadka going. So I'm going to start with 3 nice chunky garlic cloves. Just going to thinly slice them. And I'm just going to roughly chop 1 onion as well. So I'm just using a small pan to make the tadka. And I'm going to keep the tadka vegan, so the whole dal is vegan. So just 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice. You can use ghee if you don't want to keep the dal vegan. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, the onions. And I'm just going to give it 5 minutes to soften up and just start to get golden. Once you can see that the onions have softened and they're just turning golden, add the garlic. Give it another couple of minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to chop up some coriander. And finish it with some red chili. Turn the heat off and the tadka is ready. This should be perfect for 4 people. And I'm serving this, like I said in the beginning of the video, with some carrot sabji and rice. It's beautiful. So lovely. I really hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.